CFA Level 1 Feb 2026 candidates, you have your exam in just about a day or two, and that's why this message has to reach you. This is something that possibly nobody is telling you, but you need to know before your exam. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is for my CFA Level 1 Feb 2026 viewers. You have your exam just around the corner and I want to tell you a few things that nobody is probably telling you in the chaos of how to study, how to manage, etc. etc. But this message might have gotten missed, so I thought why not come and talk to you about it. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, and please join the community by subscribing to the channel, and while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so listen very carefully because it is important. At this point of time, a lot of y'all are feeling nervous, scared, anxious, little bit excited for the people who have prepared well. Performance anxiety भी एक चीज़ होती है वैसे, so that also possibly could be happening. And all of it is normal. More than normal, I would say all of it is justified. Because when I am highlighting this word justified, because many people or some people may make you feel like इतना कौन stress लेता है, इतना कौन सोचता है, it's fine, it's just an exam. But those people do not realize the hard work, the sacrifices, physical, mental, emotional, financial, personal, that you had to make in order to be or in order to give this exam. You know, everybody giving a professional exam, let alone CFA, उनकी एक खास बात होती है. It's not the fact that, oh, you did an exam so tough like CFA, 6th toughest exam in the world, etc. etc. No, that's not the point. ठीक है, syllabus इतना difficult है भी नहीं. The tough part is playing with your mind. The tough part is accepting or going for something where you know things can go left or right. Going for something where you know not even 50% of the world passes. Majority of the world fails in it. But you, in spite of knowing all this, decided that, you know what, I will still go and try my luck. I will still go give my best and try my luck. And it actually takes courage to do that. Not everybody has the guts. I'm literally using this word, but not everybody has the guts to do this, or they do not have the guts to have this level of courage. They get scared that, you know, what if the uncertain happens? What if what I'm fearing happens? But you guys, in spite of that fear, in spite of that uncertainty, I will like, you know, we're going for it. And that actually takes courage. So I'm here to tell you the most important thing that you need to know before your exam is to A, be proud of yourself, B, have some faith in yourself. If you worked hard, and when I say hard is subjective because everybody's hard is different. Some people may have, you know, managed it with a full-time job. Some people may have managed this exam with a full-time college degree. Some people may have had issues at home, family issues, personal life issues. Some people may in general have a personality where they're not so good at studying for long hours, but in spite of all that, you did your best, your personal best, not comparing to anybody. In the circumstance that you were in, the position that you were put in, you still gave your best in that. That itself is a big deal. So have faith in that. Have faith in your hard work, your personal hard work. That, you know what, I know I've done my best. I know that इससे ज़्यादा शायद मैं नहीं कर सकती थी. Maybe मैं कर सकती थी, maybe मैं नहीं कर सकती थी. But whatever it is, have that acceptance. And that itself will be a game changer for you. So since nobody is telling you this, I wanted to come and tell you that I am very proud of you. Whether you pass the exam or not, I am very proud of you because I personally know what it takes to be where you're sitting. I personally know how scary it seems when, you know, all those moments flash in front of your eyes for people whose parents are paying. Many people in level 1 are in that position. You know, that somewhere you feel, especially for middle class families, that itna paisa diya mere parents ne, what if I fail? Or for people who have maybe put a job at stake, did not take a placement and are giving the exam. Did I take the wrong decision? What if I fail? I didn't even get the job, or fail भी हो गई. यहाँ कॉलेज में कोई इवेंट छूट गया, क्या मैंने वो भी नहीं किया, मैं ये भी नहीं कर पाई, क्या होगा, was that decision better? But still you guys are giving it. So literally be proud of yourself. You are already way ahead in the race of life than literally more than half the world, right? So please have some faith. And before your exam, if you have even 1% of faith in me, then please do this one thing. Before your exam, literally just before entering the exam hall, close your eyes and ask yourself, Tani, did you do your best? जब ऐसा सिचुएशन होता है ना अल्ट्रा टेंस वाला, you just say the most honest answer, like दिल से सच्ची आवाज निकलती. It will either be a yes or no. If the answer is yes, be like, okay, Tani, I'm proud of you. I know you've done your best. One more time, last step of this, let's just go and give it our best shot. इसके बाद जो होगा, it's our luck. God is watching. If by chance the answer is no, accept it before the exam. Be like, okay, I know that I should have done better. I could have done better. I got distracted. This happened, that happened. But you know what? I will not give up. I'm standing here because I've had the guts to do so. I will walk in. I will try to give my best in whatever way possible. And whatever happens, I'll accept it. That acceptance before the exam will bring your mind to a balanced level. And believe me, I've seen so many people come back to me and tell me that it actually changed their entire experience. It brings you down from a level of extreme confidence and from a level of underconfidence. It brings you in a balanced state of mind. And that, my friend, makes the difference. So please, please, please try that out. And before I end this video, I just want to truly, truly, truly wish each and every one of you all the very best. All the very best, and may you always, always, always in life have the courage to be in the position that you are in today, to take chances, to take that risk, to explore, and to go and want to fetch something that your heart wants, even if you know how uncertain it can be. It takes guts, it takes courage. You have it. Applaud yourself for it. Once again, all the very best to each and every one of you all. I hope you remember that whatever happens will be the best thing that happens for you all. And I am personally always rooting for every subscriber, every viewer of mine. So all the best to all of you all. And we've come to the end of this video. If you like it, then please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon, hopefully in your next level. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.